Hi everyone, my name is Noburin. Now I'm studying Python. This video is for who wants to begin programming Python and deep learning. In previous video, I talked about arithmetic calculation data type variables. And today this video is going to be about list and dictionary in Python. Watching this video with reading article below, you will understand better. Okay, code and run the program in interactive mode. Data can be organized in an array as list like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, print A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. List data is shown. Let's access the array. First, get size of this array. Len A. Or uppercase. Len smaller case, lowercase a. Len A. 5 is shown. This array consists of 5 elements. Access the first elements. The output is 1. The number in square brackets is called index. Index is a start from 0. Fifth. Oh, what wrong with it? Oh, fourth. Oh, index starts from 0. So last index is 4. A4, 5 is shown. Okay, print list A and look at the fifth element. You can look 10 instead of 5. Oh, I forget brackets. Okay, 10 is shown. And Python supports slicing notation. It's very useful. For example, continuation of the list. Okay, A square brackets 0 colon 2 show 1 comma 2. We get two indexes from 0, so 0 and 1. Okay, next this 1 colon. This meaning from the second index to the last, and to get 3 index is from first index. One, two, three. Okay. You can get from first index to 2 indexes before the last index. Okay. 1, 2, 3 is output. Okay, next let's talk about the dictionary. In list before index from 0 and put 1, 2, 3 and after in sequence. On the other hand, dictionary is set key and value. Height is 175. Okay, me, height 175. Enter. Oh, ah, this square brackets. Enter. Oh, square brackets. Brace. Okay, brackets. 175. Next, weight. In addition to height, I'll add weight. $175. Weight 85. Okay, enter. Print. Oh no, I don't need print. Wait, enter. Okay, 85 is shown. Last print. Only me. Oh, only me. Shown this list, this dictionary. Well, code from w3school.com, the page of Python dictionary of this website, you can see this code. This is about car. Brand, Ford. Next model, Mustang. Year, 1964. Racing. Okay, print this dict. Okay, the output is shown. Brand is Ford, model is Mustang, year is 1964. Perfect. You can also write Python dictionary in this way. Okay, more sample code. Create empty dictionary. Empty dictionary like this. \n. Oh, no need. Empty dictionary. Okay. Print dict. Okay. Create dictionary with mixed keys. Enter. Oh, syntax error. Why? Oh, I forget double quotation. Okay, enter. Woo. Why? Why? Oh no. Oh, print. Oh, not syntax error. Okay, okay, good, good, good. Okay, next. Dictionary with the use of mixed keys with dict method. Next. Okay, mixed keys. All geeks 4. Where is 4? Oh. 2 is a override. Override. Overridden. Dict. Call. Dict. 1. Geeks. 2. 4. There. 1. 2. Colon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This. There. 1, 2. Print. Dict. Enter. Okay. This result is as I expect. Okay. The last code brace in brackets. Index from 1. No index. It's key. Placing brackets is end. Enter. All. Dictionary update sequence elements 0 has length 3. 3 is required. Why? Oh, I forget. Yeah. Here, colon instead of comma. Okay, colon. Enter. Okay, print, dict. Okay, shown. 1 is Greeks, 2 is fall. That's all today. I hope you to enjoy watching this video. Thank you for coming my YouTube channel. Bye bye.